King got the hammer in the king bang king bang got the hammer king bang king got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, long time no see, but before we get into this video, happy Halloween! I hope you guys are having an amazing Halloween this year. Drop in the comments what costume you wore today. And in today's video, we are going to be making a Frankenstein themed lip scrub. So I'm going to be using some purple and green lip scrub and combine the two to make a beautiful Halloween Monster Mash lip scrub. So right now I'm just setting up my space and I'm just placing everything where I need it to be. And then we're going to hop right into today's video. To begin, I'm going to scoop a half a cup of granulated sugar into two separate bowls, so that way we can have half a cup of sugar in each of these bowls separately, because we're going to be making two different colors and we're just going to blend them inside of our lip scrub containers. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this coconut oil that is organically refined. So this one is a more thick, smooth texture of coconut oil. This really helps give the lip scrub that nice, smooth texture. Next, I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of liquid coconut oil to each bowl as well. I'm going to go ahead and blend those ingredients. For now, I will be adding some more things, but for now we're just going to go ahead and blend what we added to the sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add another tablespoon of coconut oil to give this scrub a little bit more of a smoother texture. adding another tablespoon of that organic, refined, smooth texture, thick coconut oil to each bowl to give it more of a nice consistency. So now that we have our sugar scrubs the way that we like them, we're going to go ahead and add the pigments. So I have this glow in the dark mica pigment powders. Yes, you heard that right, glow in the dark, because it is Halloween themed. I have a purple and a green one, and we're going to go ahead and add this purple one first. We're going to go ahead and add our green pigment powder. And don't forget that everything used in today's video will be linked in the description for your convenience. So for our purple sugar, we're going to add grape flavoring oil, and for our green sugar, we're going to add key lime flavoring oil. Now for the fun part, go ahead and mix all of that together so we can get the beautiful colors that we're aiming for and also the delicious smelling scent. So once I was finally done mixing those, this is the way that it should look. It is super cute, and I'm also going to turn the light off to see if it's glowing even in my business room during the day. And as you can see, it has a little bit of a glow. I will show you guys later in the dark how it glows as well, so stay tuned for that. So now I'm going to go ahead and take our spooky lip scrubs and add them to my 15-gram lip scrub containers. And if you want to know where I got these, I will have a link in the description so that you can customize your own and easily access them. So now that you see how beautiful these scrubs came out, let me show you how it looks in the dark. It looks so cool, you guys. I love how this lip scrub glows in the dark. It is very spooky. It's giving Halloween vibes. So I am absolutely loving it. Yes, that is me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how simple and easy it is to apply lip scrub. So literally all you need is your finger. Just scoop some in your finger and rub it on your lips. Let it sit for a little hot second, and then you can either rinse it off or you can wipe it with a rag, and you will feel that your lips are so much smoother and soft because it got that dead skin and it exfoliated all of those nasty dead skin cells off, and you have fresh, smooth lips. wanted to show you guys how it would look if you applied it to your body. So I'm going to use it on my hands and show you guys a quick little nice texture shot, and so you can see how smooth this scrub really turned out. So when I use this scrub, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, like as soon as I rinsed it off and I felt my hands, I noticed a huge difference. Like I had never felt my hands that soft. Coconut oil really works wonders for the skin, for so many things. It has so many great benefits. So this scrub was definitely a success, and I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that your Halloween is so spooky, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
King got the hammer in the king ring, king got the hammer, king got the hammer in the ring.